Hello students, in this video I am going to explain your unit 4, that is operators in Java. Okay, in the previous video we had covered up with values and data type, okay, the third unit, and in this video I'll start with operators in Java, that is unit 4. Okay, I expect that most of them I've recalled with your syllabus of your 9th standard. You remember few things which we have learned in this chapter 4 in your 9th standard. I'll just recall you all once again in this video. Okay, operators are basically a symbol or a token which perform arithmetical and logical operations and gives meaningful result. You are aware of this statement. It is actually a symbol or a token which performs arithmetical or logical operations and gives a meaningful result. I expect you know the meaning of token also. Okay, the values which are involved in the operations are called as operands. The values which are involved in your operation are called as operands here. This is a small figure example saying that you are having two operands over here where you are performing an operation. Fine. Next slide says you about arithmetical expressions as well as about arithmetical statement. Okay, and just see and understand the difference between arithmetical expression as well as arithmetical statement over here. Okay, I'll just tell you about arithmetical expression first. An arithmetical expression contains variables, constant and arithmetical operators together to produce a result. Okay, an arithmetical expression consists of variables, constants and arithmetical operators together to perform a result, to give a result. Just look into the example. You are having variable as x and y, right? You have variable as an x and y, okay, and you have a arithmetical operator over here in between. Fine, that is called as an arithmetical expression. Okay, arithmetical expression. These are two variables with one arithmetical operator is your arithmetical expression, or else you have a combination of three, that is your variable, constant and your arithmetical operator. Variable, arithmetical operator and a constant. Yes, so this is called as, in such a way you get your arithmetical expression performed. So here just see the example of all the three arithmetical expression this, that is your variable is here, your operator is here, as well as an your constant is the combination gives you the arithmetical expression here. Fine. Whereas in your arithmetical statement what happens is, when an arithmetical expression is assigned to a variable, then it is known as arithmetical statement. Fine. When a arithmetical expression is assigned to a variable, just see over your example. There is an variable where the expression has been assigned to it. How it has been assigned? Using a equals to symbol. Equals to symbol. Equals to symbol is also called as an which operator? Assignment operator. It is called as an assignment operator. Fine. Is that clear? Next slide is the forms of operator. This you are supposed to understand properly, wherein which you consist of prefix and postfix, and this prefix and postfix confuse most of the students. Okay. Forms of operator, there are three types of operators, that is the unary operator, okay, your unary plus operator, your unary minus operator and your unary increment and decrement operator. Okay, unary operator in which consists of unary plus, unary minus and unary increment and decrement operator. Now, unary operator, an arithmetical operator which is applied to a single operand. An arithmetic operator which has been applied to a single operand is called as unary operator. Example is your plus or minus, that is increment or decrement, or plus plus or minus minus. Okay. Now just look into your unary plus operator. This operator is used before the operand. It results in the same value of the variable. Okay, understand the concept. The unary plus operator is used before the operand. It is used before the operand. The result is the same of the value of the variable. Now, for example, for a variable a, I have given a value called as 8. So, a's value is what? 8. But when you are using unary operator to it, this unary operator will be before your value. It will be before your value, that is plus 8, and the result will give you what? Same value, that is 8. Understood? Yes. Next, unary minus. This operator is also same like your unary plus operator. It is also used before the operand, that is unary minus before the operand. But what happens to the reverse? Okay, what happens to the reverse? Unary minus reverses the sign of the operand. It will reverse the sign of a operand. Clear? Yes. Just see over here. If a is equal to 4, so this is positive number 4, then minus a will give you the reverse of your operand. Okay, the result will be minus 4. Here plus 4, it will give you reverse of it as minus 4. Just see over here. If a is equal to minus 3.6, then minus a will give you the reverse of your operator as 3.6. Understood? Yes. The next one is your increment, unary increment, that is plus plus, and unary decrement, that is minus minus. Just see here. Unary increment operator plus plus increases the value of an operand by 1. Okay. यूनरी इंक्रीमेंट एंड डिक्रीमेंट में बाय 1 इंक्रीज होता है और बाय 1 डिक्रीज होता है. यूनरी प्लस और यूनरी माइनस में नहीं होता है. यू विल नॉट गेट. ओके, यू जस्ट understand what will be the result of it. In your unary plus, what will happen? The result will be the same of that of your variable value. Okay, and the assignment of your operator unary plus will be given as to before of your variable. Unary minus also, the assignment of the operator is been given before of your variable. Okay, but your unary minus operator, what happens? It gives you the output in a reverse type. Fine. Now here what happens in unary increment or decrement? It increases the value and decreases the value by 1. Okay. In your unary increment operator plus plus, the increases of the value of an operand is done by 1, and unary decrement operator minus minus decreases the value of an operand by 1. For example, x equals to x plus 1. Okay, x equals to x plus 1. By applying increment operator, it can be written as x plus plus or minus minus x. It can be written as x plus plus or minus minus x, that is increased by 1 and decreased by 1. Clear? Next. Now your unary increment and decrement operator is again subdivided into prefix and postfix. Prefix and postfix. Fine. So prefix when the increment or decrement operator are applied before the operand. When the increment or decrement operator is been applied before the operand, they are known as prefix operator. Any increment or decrement operator which has been applied before the operand, then it is called as prefix operator. This operator works on the principle of change before action. This operator works on the principle of change before action. It means the value of the variable changes before the action is taken place. The value of an operation is the value of a variable changes before the operation is taken place. Once again I will repeat, prefix means when you are using an increment or decrement operator, this has been applied before the operand. The increment and decrement operator has been applied before the operand. It is called as prefix operator. Okay? Prefix operator. This operator works on the principle of change before action. It means the value of a variable changes before the action is taken place. Example, take as p equals to 5. P equals to 5. Which type of expression is this? This is an arithmetic expression. Okay, arithmetic expression. Okay, p is equal to 5. Fine. P has been given, a variable has been given a value or a constant called as 5. Your expression, this is your arithmetic statement now. This is your arithmetical expression. This is your p equals to p plus p into 4. This is your arithmetical statement wherein which the expression is been assigned to a variable. Fine. P equals to plus p into 4. Plus p means prefix. Okay. Prefix. Fine. What is the value of p? Is 5. Is incrementing 1? Yes, is incrementing 1. And how is the prefix working? Change before the action. Change before the action. Yes or no? So 5 incremented by 1, change before the action is taken place as 6 into 4, that is 24. Same here also. D is a variable given with a value called as 11. Expression says as D, statement says as D is equal to 4 plus minus D. Okay. Change before action. Decrementing by 1. So 4 plus 11 becomes 10 equals to 14. Clear how your prefix is working? Yes. Next, coming to the postfix. This unary operator is used after an operand. It is used after an operand whose value is to be increased or decreased by 1. This works on the principle of change after action. Prefix is change before action. Postfix is change after action. This means that the operand will be affected after performing the operation. This means that the operand will be affected after performing the operation. Just see over here, variable is given as 5 as your value constant. Expression says as C equals to P plus plus into 4. C equals to P plus plus into 4. Okay. Change after your action. What will be the value here of P? It will be the same as of P. P plus plus का value क्या रहेगा? Same as P. That is 5 into 4 and equals to 20. Equals to 20. But what happens is, if it is not incrementing after action, because your expression is ending up here. but if over here after 4 it would be plus p, means the one which was remained to be incremented would be given to another variable over here. बट फिलहाल के लिए क्या है, यहाँ पर एक्सप्रेशन स्टॉप हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, आंसर रिजल्ट मिलके कंप्लीट हो रहा है. बट अगर 4 के बाद अगर प्लस पी रहता तो यहाँ पे जो पेंडिंग था ना इंक्रीमेंट का बाय 1, वो इसको एडअप हो जाता था पी को. ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या होगा, सेम एज इट इज़ रहेगा और स्टॉप हो जाएगा. एनी डाउट टिल हियर? यस. सो हियर आई विल स्टॉप my video. In the next video I'll start with shorthand expression. Okay, I expect that you have understood your postfix, prefix and postfix, unary operators, types of operators, arithmetical expression, and your introduction part. Yes, arithmetical expression and arithmetical statement, unary three types of operators of unary operators. Okay, as well as prefix and postfix. Just remember, prefix means change before action. Okay, the operator has been given before your operand, and postfix means change after action. The operator has been given after your operand. Okay, I'll stop over here. Thank you.